everybody, Mark with Ames Tools. Today's tool tip, we're going to talk about the finishing boxes, or the flat boxes and the high capacity boxes, the wheels and how they are used for running paper face bead. If you look on this box here, you can see we just have a regular axle, regular wheel, the standard wheel. It's been on there for a long time. And if we run this box along the paper face bead, this is the outer corner, the axle rubs actually on the outer edge of the bead. The blade is on, but it'll rub on here. If we take this high capacity box, this is a larger capacity box, we have wheels that are specifically made for running the outer edge. You can see as it runs along this edge here, there's a point right here on the axle and the wheel that's made to roll over the outer bead. So that's a good thing to use. They're popular. Check with your Ames stores about these if you're running corner bead with your boxes.
To learn more about ATF tools, visit the video resource library on our website, amestools.com.